This beginner crochet kit is really cute. It's basically teaching you how and giving you the materials to make little catnip toys, and is definitely designed for beginners. That said, my 9-year-old daughter really wanted this, and even though we warned her multiple times, she wasn't ready for how complicated it is. So keep that in mind. I would recommend this for teenagers and older, unless you already know how to crochet. But if you don't, it teaches you everything you need. It has a full tutorial to walk you through how to make all the different types of crochet knots. And it also has a QR code that takes you to their YouTube playlist on how to crochet, which is very easy to work through. And then once you're ready, it has the instructions for this specific kit, which is the crochet catnip bag. And it talks about what you have. And then it really does go through the details, and again has a QR code that will walk you through it all in video. Now you get everything you need in the box. You get all of the yarn for the catnip toys, including this test yarn to practice with and learn how to crochet with. Then you have your key crochet hooks, a pair of scissors that are remarkably sharp, a yarn needle, and a variety of stitch markers in multicolors. A really cute introduction to crocheting that gives your cats a fun toy to play with.